Thank you for this opportunity to talk about some recent developments in Swiss advertising law. As a very quick background, so Swiss advertising law usually has very reasonable rules in the more general laws and then more sector-specific regulation for particular industries and media. Those sector-specific regulations do not provide for a private cause of action, and that's why, or one of the reasons why self-regulation is very important in Switzerland, with the Swiss Commission of Fairness being the relevant body in this field. So a couple of cases I would like to highlight today involve sexism and parody. And I just wanted to give you a better feeling of this topic, especially sexism being of higher media interest at this point. So this ad was not allowed by the Swiss Commission, stating that the male model was used as a pure eye catcher. Syrup is an online shop in Switzerland, and they had the claim syrup on hot device on syrup. So there was no natural link between the advertised iron, which you could buy online, and this male model. Whereas in this ad, the Try My Bra example, the Commission found an obvious humoristic overstatement, the bra being so comfy that even the male partner of the model would want to try it on. A rather borderline case was this attractive offer for protective wear. The natural link between the product, which made this claim non-sexist and the Commission allowed the claim, was that you are actually supposed to wear that kind of protective clothes on your skin. So it's accurate to depict it with a naked woman wearing that wear. And then another topic which was important last year was parodies in advertising. We had a couple of TV ads which, when you started watching, you would feel very familiar with. For instance, we had this one ad which clearly started the same way as the very well-known Ferrero Rocher ads, all white. And then we had another one by a beer company showing happy people at the lake having a barbecue, drinking beer. And then this other online shop started to have ads which look the same way. So, but in their version, everything goes wrong. People started fighting over issues at the barbecue. They were complaining about the beer. And so there you could see that this was clearly advertising for something else. And the Commission allowed that kind of parody in advertising, saying that the happy, shiny people world of beer ads did not acquire distinctiveness, so the look and feel of those ads could not be monopolized. I would like to conclude with a very quick outlook of a couple of things you would expect to come up. First, we have new rules on designations of origin in advertising or on products, and we would expect stronger enforcement in more cases there. Secondly, Switzerland is not part of the EU. Nevertheless, we have a revision of the Swiss Data Protection Act going on. It will not be concluded by May this year. This is for sure, so we will have a different set of rules in the EU and Switzerland. And then, last but not least, currently advertising on linear TV and radio is highly regulated in Switzerland, whereas non-linear offers are not. And there is currently a new law being planned and discussed which would cover all electronic media, and at this point we're not sure whether it would provide for stronger and regulation for all types of electronic media and advertising on such media or not. So this is something to be viewed in this year. Thank you.